Again, Hoover's broken down. Oh dear. Push it forward a bit. Let's try again. Come on. Oh dear me. It's full of bits, I think. But the other thing's rattling about inside it. We'll try a bump start. Power on. Oh, she's going. Switch it off. Yeah, fine. Try again. Start on the button. Oh, it's dead. It's dead again. Power on. It's going. It's going. It's going. We've got to start it. Try again. Start on the button. So it's got a bit of a misfire. I think it went then. Let's go. It'll idle away all day like that. Start moving it, just cuts out. Hang on a minute, just turn it off. Start moving it now. Ah, it's alright now. Okay, let's try and get the dog to fetch the newspaper. Ready? Fetch. Fetch. Bring the newspaper. Fetch. Go on, pick it up. Fetch! Fetch! Fetch the newspaper. Come on. Let's put it in your mouth. Open your mouth. No, you don't like the newspaper. So anyway, thank you for watching and goodbye.